In this video, we'll explore the top 3 coffee grinders, the OXO Brew, Baratza Encore, and Bereville Smart Grinder Pro. The OXO Brew Conical Burr grinder is known for its precision, thanks to an integrated scale for accurate measurements. With 38 grind settings, the OXO Brew is versatile for various brewing methods, but it's quite pricey and noisy. The Baratza Encore is an affordable option, praised for its consistent grind quality and quiet operation, perfect for beginners. 40 grind settings make the Baratza Encore versatile, though it lacks advanced features like a scale or timer. Bereville Smart Grinder Pro offers 60 grind settings and a digital interface, ideal for those who want complete grind control. However, the Bereville is expensive and can be daunting for beginners, despite its advanced features and customizable options. Ultimately, choose based on your budget, experience, and desired features to enhance your coffee brewing experience.